Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this pirate sailfish in Fish 8 Roblox. So the pirate sailfish is one of the mythic fish in the Pirate Cove, and in here I'm going to show you the exact island location, the best speed boosted bait, and also the road that I use. So as you can see up here already on the Pirate Cove, and for the location you can basically just go anywhere in the island, but for me I got the fish here near these tunnels right here. You can just go straight, and this is where I got the fish, and I'm using the element road with the singularity bait to get the mythic pirate sailfish. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you in the next tutorial.